Okay, just want to do a quick video for you guys on a couple of problems that I thought might be helpful on your assignment from day 1.5a. Okay, just kind of walk you through the steps that I would take in order to solve them. Hopefully what I'm going to be doing is not giving you the answers, it's just more explaining the steps. I really hope that you guys are using this video to help you rather than just copy. Okay, so make sure that it's for the right reasons here. So I've circled some of the problems that we're going to do. I think we're only going to do 12 on the first page here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here on 12, right? And the reason why we want to do this one, you still want to subtract the 5, and the reason why is we want to move the thing that's furthest away from b first. Okay, it gives us negative b over c equals, and our 5's cancel, d minus 5. Okay, next thing that we want to do is we want to get rid of this c. Okay, so we can get the negative b times both sides by c. Now what are we multiplying here on the right side by c? Okay, that's what we have to think of. Are we multiplying only d, only 5, or multiplying everything? The answer is everything. Now how do we put that? Just the same way as like division, where we want to put the line underneath everything, we want to put parentheses around the outside so that the c is multiplying everything. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this as a negative b equals, and I'm going to put the c in the front now. I like it a little bit better over there. D minus 5. From there, we need to change this negative sign. Now the best way in my mind to do it is just understand that the negative is going to move to the negative, to the c. Okay, we can divide by a negative, but in reality it's just negative c d minus 5. And I like to keep it in parentheses for our answer. Okay, that's number 12. Let me look then. Let's go over here to the back side. There's a couple more that I want to do here. Hopefully this will help. We'll start at 24, then we'll go 25, 28, and 31 to close it out. Okay? First thing that we want to do for R, move the things furthest away from R. That's going to be your P here. We get T minus P equals P R T. Okay? Zoom in just a tad bit more. From there, we're looking for our R. The P and the T are in the way, and it's P times R and R times T. So all we're going to do is we're going to divide by PT on both sides for our equation. Okay, the P's cancel, the T's cancel, and that leaves us with R equals T minus P over P T. Okay, that's all I want to put. And I should be careful, that's capital T and lowercase t, just to differentiate. If I'm looking at A, what I want to do here, we're looking for S, right? Just not that. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the thing that is dividing everything. I want to get rid of this bottom number, this 360. Okay, so my step here is to multiply both sides of my equation by 360. Get 360A equals pi r squared s. From there, pi times r squared times s. So we want to get rid of it, we want to do the opposite multiplication, or times, and we want to divide both sides by pi r squared. Okay, pi's go and the r squareds go, leaving me with just my s. So s is equal to 360a over pi r squared. Okay, and I specifically wanted to do this one because it's the only one that we have to work with on parentheses on number 28 now. We're looking for B. B is right here. The first thing that we want to be able to do is get rid of the thing that's furthest away from it, so we'll move this A to the other side. So we get P minus A equals, let's go, N minus 1 times B. Now what's clear, remember, this is the same thing that we kind of did in our notes today, right? Because N minus 1 is times B, we want to get B alone. We're not going to multiply the b through like we would normally in parentheses. We want to get rid of the thing inside. So what we will do, instead of that, is recognize that this is times b, do the opposite, and divide it away. Okay, that way my n minus 1's cancel out, and I'm left with b equals p minus a over n minus 1. Okay. And then I'll help you guys with 31 real fast because I kind of think this one looks a little bit funky. We're solving for C. We want that. First thing, we have to get rid of the dividing number. We want to get rid of the thing that's taking care, that is dividing everything. Multiply both sides of your equation by 3. Your 3's cancel. 3a equals a plus b plus c. Next, we can subtract a and b at the same time if we want, but I'll do one at a time so we can kind of see it. 3 capital A minus a equals b plus c. Next, we want to get rid of our b and do minus b, and we'll end up with 3a minus b, so 3a minus b equals c. Okay, flip it around. You can leave it just like this if you want. I probably will right now anyways. Okay, so hopefully I've given you guys a couple of them. I think that's enough to be able to finish this assignment. Okay, that's about 5 problems. I think that should be enough. Shoot me an email if you have any other questions tonight. I think I should be available until about 7.